Kamusta, kamusta? This is your Kuro Kairu. For today's topic is pwede, pwede. So basically, it's like asking for permission. Yes, it's like you're asking for permission. For example, there's a can you want to open. A food can like meatloaf. You know it's a can, but am I allowed to open this? That's the allowed I'm talking about. If you want to say, am I allowed? In Tagalog, it's pwede ba? Pwede ba? Pwede ba? Do you remember the ba? The ba? So basically, you just put it in front the pwede ba? Then you add that ba. Pwede ba? It means, am I allowed? Or can I? Can I? It means yes, can too. It also means can. The pwede. By can, I mean like, can I? Like first person perspective. So basically, it's like asking for permission. Yes, it's like you're asking for permission. Pwede na. It can also be used for pwede na. You just add na. Pwede na. But in this case, the na means now. It's like, can I now? Can I now? For example, you are in your friend's house and his room is locked and he's inside because he's still cleaning, and they ask you to wait. Then you will wait. After waiting, he then open the door slightly. Then you will ask, pwede na? Like, can I go in now? Pwede na? Or pwede na ba? You can also add pa plus a question mark. Do you remember ba? It's also used as a question mark. So you can understand it much clear. Think of pwede ba as allowed, and then there's a question mark. Allowed, then there's a question mark. Pwede is like allowed, and then there's a question mark. And if you add na, pwede na, it's like, can I? Can I? Yes, can you? So yeah, that's basically it for today. Pwede means can or allowed. Bye bye. See you next time.